everyone. In this video we will discuss the question number 52 of GATE 2014. It is saying which one of the following statement with respect to the orientation of the uh, nitrogenous bases to the pentose sugar and the packing of the sugar is correct. So we are given with A form and B form on DNA, and they are asking their orientation of the nitrogen bases and the sugar and the packing of the sugar. So let's see. First, see the sugar packing. What is sugar packing? There are two kind of sugar packing is there, endo and exo. For example, if the C3 prime carbon of this pentose sugar, if it is facing towards the oxygen, then it will be endo, and if it is going away, then it will be exo. Similarly, for C2 prime, if the C2 prime is facing towards the oxygen, then it will be C2 prime endo. If it is going away, then it is 2 prime exo. Now, the orientation of the nitrogenous base, there are two orientations, syn and anti, right? So anti means if this nitrogen base of this nucleotide is facing away from the oxygen, then it will be, or opposite from the oxygen, then it will be anti, and if it is facing towards the oxygen, then it will be syn, right? If you will check one of the pyrene unit, which is deoxycytidine, and in this case also you can see that this nitrogen base, it is facing away of the oxygen, so it is anti, but when it is facing the oxygen, then it is syn, right? So these are the two confirmation of sugar packing and nucleotide or nitrogen base orientation. So in the A form and B form DNA, the sugar packing in the A form is C3 prime endo, that means this one, and in B form DNA C2 prime endo means this one, and glycoside bond conformation or the orientation of the nitrogenous base, both are the same thing. In case of A form, it is anti, right? So this one, and for B form, it is also anti, right? So if you will check the options, option C and D both are showing syn, right? Syn, but both A and B form of DNA are anti, right? So that's why option C and D can be eliminated. Option A and B both are showing the anti, which is correct, which is the nitrogenous bases to the pentose sugar. Both A and B has an anti. Now if we will consider the sugar packing, then in the A form of DNA it is C3 prime endo, and in B form of DNA it is C2 prime endo. So in A form of DNA it is showing C2 prime endo, that is wrong, and in the option B it is showing that 2 prime endo in B form of DNA. So in the B form of DNA it is C2 prime endo. So the option B is correct here.